Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting KYC documents. This saves time when you apply. Once done, pick the fastest channel, your bank app, a branch, or the official portal, and have your mobile number ready for OTP. Make sure your government ID and a clear photo are accessible on your phone. Start the application and enter personal details exactly as on your ID to avoid delays. You'll see prompts for card type and delivery options. Choose the physical NCMC card if you need tap and pay. Now focus on verification and linking. Complete the application form carefully. Typos cause rejections, then upload your KYC files in the required format and size. Next, verify via OTP and, if asked, complete biometric or in-branch verification. This step confirms identity and enables full card features. Once verified, link your bank account or wallet for recharges and auto top-up. This powers tap payments and monthly passes. Keep transaction limits and top-up limits in mind. Complete activation by following app or phone instructions. Set a secure PIN and use a small test fare to confirm tap functionality. Once active, load funds through bank transfer, UPI, or card top-up, and enable auto top-up if you travel frequently. If the card fails, first verify KYC and bank linkage in the app, then check balance and transaction limits. If problems persist, contact the issuing bank or the NCMC help desk immediately. They can reissue, reset PINs, or resolve delivery and activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.